Today, we will be learning more about TinkerCAD. We will be doing more challenging hands-on activities for us to be able to learn and improve our skills in 3D modeling. So for this week's lesson, we are learning to combine shapes to form new 3D objects. What I'm looking for, I can create 3D emoji buttons in TinkerCAD. Here's an example of what you can create like 3D emojis in TinkerCAD. To start, log into TinkerCAD using the given website, class code, and assigned nickname. Once you're inside TinkerCAD, click on Create New Design button. After you've created a new design where you can see a blank workplane, on the upper left, change the name by clicking on it. Type your name and type what you are making. Once you're done typing the name and what you're making, click on the workplane. To start creating our emoji, we will just combine different shapes. For our first emoji, we will combine a cylinder and a sphere. So add the cylinder on the workplane. Make it wider. There are 4 small squares on the sides. These are sizing handles. These are used to change the size of your shape. The one in the middle part is used to make your shape taller or shorter or maybe flat. Okay, once you're done with it, you can change the color. And this time we're going to combine it with the sphere to create our eyes. The other shape, like the sphere, make it a little bit taller than the face of your emoji. Adjust the size of it. Use this to change the view. Make it a little bit flat. Change the color. And simply put it on top of the first shape. If it's too big, you can adjust the size again. Once you're done with the first eye, you can simply duplicate it by clicking the duplicate button. After clicking the duplicate button, drag the second copy to create the second eye. For our mouth, we will be using again a cylinder. Adjust the size of it and make it a little bit flat. To make our mouth, we're going to cut half of it by using the box or the hollow box shape. Position it on top of the first shape like this cylinder and select both shapes together by simply and quickly doing double tap on the upper left and drag your finger across. Once you have selected both shapes, you have to click on the group button. Change the color to match the eyes and place it on top of your emoji face. So we have created the first emoji. You can select all the shapes together and drag it and place it to the sides. To create the second emoji with the sunglasses on it, just simply duplicate the face. Click on the yellow button and click the duplicate button. Put it here in the middle. For the sunglasses, we will be using the mouth, duplicate it, and put 2 shapes or these 2 shapes beside each other. So I'll click the mouth, duplicate, and drag it out. Click again this duplicate button and simply put it beside each other. Select the 2 shapes together and put it here. For the mouth, you can use the eyes and change the size of it. click the duplicate button, put it here, and make it a little bit wider. So we're done with the second emoji. Select all of it and put it on the side. For our third emoji, we are again duplicating the face of the first emoji. Put it here. We will use the same mouth here, so duplicate it, clicking on it, and duplicate button. Put it on top of your face here in this emoji, and we will be using the heart shape for the eyes. Adjust the size of the heart shape, make it a little bit flatter in here, reduce the size of it or the height, change the color, put it on top, adjust. Once you're okay with the size, you can duplicate it and drag the second copy. You can even change the rotation by clicking on the curved arrow. Click on it to change the rotation of your heart-shaped eyes. Once you're done with it, you can select all of it and put it here on the side. For our last emoji, we are going to use the X shape for the eyes. Click on the emoji face here and duplicate it to serve as your fourth face for the fourth emoji. I'll use this mouth in here. I'll select it and click duplicate and put it here. Once I'm done with it, I can go on the shapes panel and use the box shape. I can make the box flat and thin so that it will form like a line. I'll change the color and use the curved arrow to change the orientation of your line. Duplicate it and again use the curved arrow to form an X. Once you're done with it, select the shapes together and you can click on group button. I'll duplicate it to create the second copy. I'll put it here and adjust the size. I'll put the second one here and adjust the size. Now I have my fourth emoji. And that's how you create emoji buttons in TinkerCAD.